Hello and welcome to another lesson in our WordPress website creation. And in this lesson, we're going to go ahead and upload our first post. So basically, what the website is going to be all about is sharing of articles as well as softwares, apps that we created. So we're going to go ahead and share them on the site for our users to come and download. So the idea is not to sell them, but for them to just visit our site and download them for free. So the more they visit the site and do the downloads, we get more visitors on our site, and we can be raised high on Google ranking, and then can go ahead and apply for Google Adsense and get it approved with immediate effect. Okay, so that is the idea. So let's delve right into that. So now logging into our WordPress site, you already know the URL. Okay, so once I begin typing, it should just pop up. But in case yours doesn't pop up, then you should know, or by now you should know the website address. Okay, so you just go ahead and type it in full: dev-letshare.pentium.io. With this, once I press the enter, then straightforward, I'm here. Okay, over here. I can go ahead and do whatever I want to do. If you want to log in using your login details, there's a way out. You just click here, then you use /, then you just type login. Okay. So this will redirect you to the login page where you can log in. So here I want to go ahead and type in my password and then press enter. Then I'm logged in. Another way is if I just want to visit the back end straight, so /, then I just go to admin, then press enter. So I'm here. So basically that is that. So, but the idea is if you think someone can just enter this and log in into your back end, it will not work. That is that. You would have to log in. So let's continue with it. So for now, like I said, we're going to go ahead and get our first post shared. Okay, so let's quickly do that. So to start with, let's visit our site, and then so that we can have the switching between the two. So Control C to copy this content here, the URL, the address, and then you paste it here. Let's enter to load that. So now here we have here as the back end where we do the editing stuffs, and then we come here and do the refreshing. So that is that. So to start with, we go to new, and then you go to post. You just point to new here, you come to post. We allow it, so we just click on next, get started. Okay, so now the title, I already have, I'm posting, I've organized some stuff here for the web. Okay, so I have some posts here, so just click to open it, and then I'll just copy the title. Okay, so the title is how to protect your computer from malware and phishing. Okay, so minimize this, so get my title in here. Perfect. So now with the post itself, okay, I just go ahead and then copy from here, the last one to the bottom. Oh, sorry, or copy it. Just copy from the sheet. Perfect. So Control C to copy this. Then we paste this here, Control V to paste. So there we go. So now the next thing we're going to do is to add some featured images. So you can click on this advanced tab here. Okay. Maybe since that is not showing here, you can go to post here. So you click on post here with this tab. Okay. Then go to featured images. Then you choose your image, the image associated to the post. Okay. Click on this. I'm going to navigate to my desktop and get my folder. I name it web stuff, whatever. Can I remember the name? Web tools. Perfect. There we go. I have this particular image for that post. So click on open. So I click on set featured image. I click on this, and the image is set. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to publish our post. So by then, before you even go ahead and copy your post from wherever you save it to here, you might have read it and go skim through it and you are sure of everything before you do that, right? So go ahead and publish it. Click on publish. So now our post has been published. So we can come on this tab and then let's refresh here. See, so we have our post here. So we want to continue reading from here. Perfect, and that is that. Excellent. So let's go back. Now the next thing we would want to do is let's quickly go back to the back end here. Let's say we would want to change the title of our site here. The title here. How do we do that? So with that, we just go to you come to appearance and come to customize. Okay. So under customize, you go to site identity and you change the name here. If you want to change any name, you can do that. Okay. This is the title, this is the tagline. Okay, so with the tagline, we want to change it. This just another WordPress site. I don't want it. So I want to say we share. Sorry, we share information technology resources. Okay, so just go ahead and publish this right away. We share information technology resources. So once I come here and refresh, I have this also done here. Now the next thing we are going to do, we need some menu items here. As you can see, for now we have just this sample. We want something like the home. We have the home, maybe about us, and then the contact. So we need this three for now. I'm going to go ahead and create more, but for now this is what we need. So please let's just follow these tutorials until we get to the end. After that, if you want to adjust it to suit your needs, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, with all apologies. So that is that. So quickly, let me just do that. So come back to the back end here. Then also here, maybe we would want to also change the icon. So you can see here we have this WordPress icon here, but we don't want it. We want to use our own icon. Okay. So let's just quickly do the changes before we proceed. So click on this, then upload file. When you upload your icon, okay. I'm going to use this as my icon. So let me see this one. So I'm going to use this one. So I click on open. So it's loaded. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and do what select it. So the icon is selected. So with this, the next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and publish. So once that is done, I can come here. So when I refresh, you see that this one should be changed to our customized icon now. Okay. So you can see it's done. Perfect. So that is that. So anyone who knows the logo of your company or whatever, once they see this, they know that the site is actually yours, and then it's safe for them to access any resource from the site. Okay, so basically that is that. So now the next thing we're going to do is let's quickly come back here. Like as we're going to go ahead and create menu items. Okay, so under this customize and then under appearance and customize, we come. So let me just close this and then so that I go back for you to see where I'm coming from. So under appearance, you just come to appearance, come to customize again. So under customize, let's allow it to load perfectly. Under customize, go ahead and come to menu here. So you just click on create new menu. So for now, let's just name it something like menu one. Okay, and you go to, so now we need to choose where the menu should be. Maybe social menu, foot menu. Sometimes you can leave it at the bottom. We want it to be at the top here, so you choose main navigation. Once you do that, then click on next. Okay, so on clicking of next, then click on add items. So to add items here, the first thing we're going to do is just make sure you select this one. Home here, select it. So to add the next one, you go add the name here like something like about us. Okay, sorry, about us. Then you add that. Okay, now you can see a home about us. Then the next one I would want to add something like contact us. Contact us. Okay, so you add that as well here. So for now we are done adding our menu items. Okay, so you can see they are already popping up here. So the next thing we are going to publish it, and once it's published, we can just come here now, and then we go ahead and refresh this, and then we should see our menu item. For now, we have just this three for now. We're going to be adding more. Okay, so basically that is that. I don't want to prolong the videos. I want the videos to be short and precise. Okay, so in this lesson, basically what we have just done is what we upload our first post, added featured images, get an icon, and then get the menu items for our website. So basically, grab this concept very well, and then our next lesson, we're going to go ahead and add more posts and add more things that we would want our website to have to make it complete. So till then, say thank you very much for watching, and bye for now. So don't forget of your username as well as password. I always say it is very important. So that is that. Bye for now.